Facebook status updates 2011. Anthony Byrne. What? Anthony Byrne. What? On November 9th, Burnsy writes, Vic government is allegedly considering locking out all nursing staff in Vic hospitals and using non-union labor. No guarantee that they would be qualified, no guarantee that they'll provide the same care that nurses provide day in and day out. Do you want the Vic government to risk the health and well-being of Victoria's hospital patients for the sake of stopping them organizing for better conditions of work? No, I don't, Burnsy! On November the 4th, Burnsy writes, anybody got the day off? I don't know if I did that day. Can't remember, I have to look back in the calendar. On October 21st, Burnsy writes, so who wants to go to the beach tomorrow? In October, Burnsy? Shit, man. October. On October the 13th, Burnsy writes, the Malaysian solution is as painful as a Metamucil solution. Nice. Nice. October 6th, Anthony Burns writes, Steve Jobs is dead. Facebook status updates 2011.